everyone, this is Arsha Biswal from class 6. Today I'm going to give you a speech on safety against COVID. Here are some tips by which you can stay safe from COVID-19. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others. Make sure that you are wearing a mask when you are out home. If not, then remember that you are putting yourself and your family into danger. Avoid crowded places. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Use sanitizer before touching your face. Avoid outside food. Avoid cold things. Remember that you have to drink warm water at least 4 to 5 times in a day. You have to drink kara or herbal tea at least 2 times in a day. Practice respiratory hygiene. Lockdown is finished. That doesn't mean that COVID-19 is finished. So still we have to take the precautions. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given us a very important message that COVID-19 is still there. Lockdown is not there. It doesn't mean that COVID-19 is finished. So still we have to take the precautions till the vaccine reaches to the public. Dr. Ranjan Sharma, the president of Indian Medical Association, has claimed that our scientists are still working for COVID-19 vaccine and it will reach the public till the next year. So we have to take the precautions and we have to be safe. So stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind. Thank you.